I'm currently dead. Let's see if I can come back to life. I don't want to hear the double. Wait to me.
I'm out of brain. Target someone first.
Oh damn! I'm gonna have to I have to go out to the place. I'm Corona. I think we're live though. Or should be live. Welcome to story time again, guys. Another show. We're playing World of Warcraft again. Unfortunately, I'm kind of addicted to this game right now. Let's see if I can get some gaming music here. Oh, no. I'm gonna have to put it on the other computer. Yeah. Gonna suck when I'm trying to speak. Well, technically, no. So I'm playing a rogue today. Well, still playing a rogue. I'm hoping I can max this rogue really quickly. So hopefully I create like a priest neck. I'm not doing my combos properly. Run down really quickly. What do you mean it's not ready yet? Oh my god. Dog, I almost died there. What's a pirate spec? How you doing, Lord? Lord Derek. How you doing? I don't know what a pirate spec is, if I'm being honest with you. Still new to this game. Outlaw. Is that a talent tree? Oh, it's a talent. Nah. I haven't tried that one. I'm doing assassination. Oh no. Oh crap. Ah, oh, come on. It's all pirate theme. Huh. Maybe I should try it. Oh, oh, it is fire team. That's pretty dope. Yeah, that's pretty dope. Yeah, I should give it a try. I'll have to look up a good build for that. And then I'll give it a try. I need to go back home. Oh, I think that's a horde player. Oh shit. I haven't seen another horde player. No, I'm not in US servers. I'm on NA servers, I think. I need one more. Yeah, I play on the North American servers since I speak English. And the EU would be a very bad thing for me. I didn't get any of that. Are you serious? Come on, come on, come on. Alright, let's play, let's play, let's play, let's play.
I'm out of range.
Bambaclat. Dead to soul. Alright, my thing. Can leave now. I can't wait till I can buy this expansion pack. I'm hoping that it's as fun as the rest of the game. I need to find where the bank is instead of going all the way into Stormwind.
So, fancy some bits and bobs? Appreciate your patronage.
Where would the bank be? Walrus Bank. Need to look for that. Okay, so it's the trading court. Oh, I didn't install coordinates on this thing. I need to get an add-on. Switch, come to me. Could be this one. Alright, so all I'm have to know is Reload the UI. If I reload it back, it should come up back. At least. There. Oh, it's there now. But where?
It's all about humanity. About humanity.
Man, probably should have started the thing now. I should get on the road and get something to eat.
All about humanity.
How do you get into this setting? Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna reload the game. Let me reload this game. It's all about humanity. Yeah.
It's all about humanity. About humanity. It's all about humanity. About humanity.
Da.
It's all about humanity.
Up low. Seriously, where's the coordinates? Are they at least on the map? Oh! Oh! Alright, nice. Alright, so just need 75, 19. This is 9. Things are in this area. Somewhere here. Okay. So if I were to go, alright. Alright, so it's somewhere here. Like I'm either on top. Oh! Found it. So this is the bank. Looking for you. Oh, 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 oh.
proud Moors will protect us as they
But now pick your queen, brother. Watch out for yourself. All right. Oh, there's so many people here.
do for you.
Over here. I can't wait till I get my own flying thing. Thingamabob. Once I get it, you know, I'm a happy piece of motherfucker. All right, where's the onions? I know the feeling about using onions to make her cry. Onions are the worst, or scallions if you cut it long enough. Shit. Alright, that's kind of low. Disengage. Man, that ability is so useful. Yeah, I don't think it'd be a wise idea to have it there. Why didn't I get any food? Then again, I can't afford any. They don't sell food for my level in the city.
I'm out of range.
Here, I'm your opponent now.
Don't get many travelers here.
Oh, hello there. Sorry, we don't get many mainland. Oh, hold on.
Even rotten crops will grow.
You see me talking, Bradman? Good. As I was saying.
Mainlander, eh?
So, oh, hello there. Sorry, we don't get many mainlanders in these parts. This plot was my husband Sam's farm. He used to tend to the onion fields every day before the curse befell Glenbrook and took him with it. Ross, I am so sorry. My husband gone, the farm is all I have left, and these whale rats are making sure I don't even making sure I don't get even that. I did say it's mostly English. Mostly. I'd hate to bother a perfect stranger, but could you help quell this infestation? Kill 6 of them.
Make light fall upon the coven.
Soft. As long as me I get my dirty bomba money. And the money up, you see me. Oh, they already killed all of them. Oh, really? Nice. Let's sneak up on a post.
I need to get closer.
Oh my god. I protect for myself. Protect. I should turn this down a bit. And then turn the music a little bit more up. Alright, cool. I think I need to go into some dungeons. I'm gonna start doing some dungeons at level 35. So I can get some better weapons at least. Jesus Christ. Alright, need a better plan. Man, it kinda sucks being a rogue. Seriously, bro? Not to worry. That thing is still on cooldown. And if I try to attack this one, then the other one is gonna like rush me.
I need to get closer. I'm out of range. I need to get closer.
quick.
You mind your business, and I'll mind.
Thank you, Rob. Maybe in reviving these I can bring a bit of Sam's good finish back to finish the curse, man. Yeah, but that kind of rough still, innit? That rough. Big man level that rough. Would you imagine your husband just gone?
This land is cursed.
Wait, I didn't get my onion. Why am I so workless? Jeez. Why do I need a juicy onion specifically? Alright, disengage.
Greetings, Outlander.
Great, you found one. I was worried that there wouldn't be much left growing on that farm. Ah, that sucks. That sucks. The people of Dust Bar could learn a thing or two from that hardy onion. There you go. Good, this toxin should have the desired effect. Yeah, I can't believe I'm going to go through with this. And finally, well done. With this many blood flies, at least one would mount a bite. Alright. I think we have everything needed to conduct 3 other villagers tests. Let us hope this is enough to convince them. I'm sure Constable Farmer is chomping at the bit. I'm sure Constable Farmer is chomping at the bit to proceed with this trial. And I would prefer it if you were the one administering the test. Oh, you're the one to administer the test. I may not know you well, but I trust you further than the constable. Speak with him when you're ready to begin it, and do me a favor, make this quick. Alright, so I was giving me some shitty gloves.
Finished? I'm becoming impatient.
I'm a beautiful disaster. A record.
What now?
Trying to shoot.
On with the execution. A trial, I mean, finally! The trial can commence. As is customary, the Lady Waycrest has chosen the tests she will undergo to prove her innocence of the accused crime of witchcraft. She has selected this mainlander to administer the tests. An unusual choice, but as a show of good faith, I will allow it. The first test will be the shedding of tears. Let it be known that Miss Waycrest shed not one tear during this entire process. Is the accused even capable of weeping? Show us that we may pass.
That's so stupid.
Go ahead, Mainlander. Show them.
Over. What?
Can't you see I'm busy? Finally, I've important work to do.
She's crying? Witches can't do that, can they?
Calm down.
Boy, them people are so stupid.
There may still be.
You can't be this
trivia,
stupid.
but Wade
You seriously can't be this
will
stupid.
continue with the trial. The second test will be the stinging of insects. It is well known that even the voracious bloodfly will not taste of a witch's vile blood. Release the flies, then watch as they scatter from her bewitched flesh.
Don't worry about me. I can handle a few bug bites.
All right, transform.
Ow! Oh! Oh! That stings.
The bugs don't seem to be avoiding her. Very biting
come on.
than usual. Interesting, but hardly conclusive. Let us move on to the final test. The purging of the viscera.
The what they were?
It's known that a witch's power is fueled not by food, but by consuming the souls of her victims. Her insides
Right.
are an empty husk.
And we're gonna
Are
trust
you
this information.
prepared to prove otherwise, Miss Waycrest?
Indeed, I shall. The venom, Mainlander.
All right, my thing. Let's drop the venom on her.
Oh, I don't feel so.
She got sick. That's impossible. Maybe she's not a witch after all. But what of our village? Quiet! I will be the one passing judgment here. I remain unconvinced. This still does not explain the happenings at Fletcher's Hollow.
What? After all I just went through?
Tests or no, you will only be absolved once we uncover the truth of what happened to our village.
Oh, I'm sorry, Mainlander, but I may have to ask another favor.
All right, what's the favor? What's the favor?
Traveler.
Oh, I get to pick one? Yeah, this one. That's not rare. Keep getting gloves and stuff. I haven't yet get a chest plate. I need another ring. It's obvious the constable won't be swayed until we discovered what happened to Fletcher's Hollow. I know very little myself, only that the village has been overrun by monstrous creatures. I must ask that you travel there in my stead and try to uncover what befell the village. I'm sure Marshal Reed? How would you pronounce it? Marshal Reed will prevent the constable from harming me while you're away. Do this for me and I will help you as I can. Alright, so I'm going to speak to Evelyn Pear and Timbird. Hey, I should warn you guys, I'm going to butcher all the names. So, yeah, and I just don't give a shit. I don't give a shit.
A steady tiller prevails.
Ahoy!
Ah, that's cool. Is that a pumpkin in? Where'd that come from? That's so far. Alright, turn on the music.
You wonder how I got this way. You think I'm someone to say, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, never change. You think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars, but it always ends the same.
Call me the horseman. Or woman, because it's a girl.
Can't bear the things I've had to face. Got you crying on your knees in pain. Oh, some things never change, never change. You'll break your back to make me feel again. Suffocate to make me breathe again. Lose your mind from endless pain. Some things never change, never change. Oh, redemption. stopped asking for
Welcome to
forgiveness.
Fletcher's Hollow,
You should
Mainlander.
know.
Sorry for the mess, but we've got a bit of a witch problem on our hands. Unless you plan on helping out, I suggest you move along. Spit it out.
Save myself, but
You're help to solve this
So
You're looking
because you just
you're looking to help to solve this curse? Well, that's good to hear. We surely can use all the help we can get. Happy to help you get to the bottom of this. First things first. So we need to save some of our villagers.
in my wake, swear I didn't
Care to lend a hand? No. Ever since the nightmare creatures started pouring out of the mines, our village has gone to shambles. I hope you have better luck finding the source to this mess than we did. Alright. These things seem intent on capturing our people, but we're not quite sure for. The ones in the town might be too tough to reach right now, but we might be able to save some of the woodsmen who work along the strand. And head to the lumber fields just east of here and see if there's anyone still alive out there. We can shelter them here until we can arrange safe passage out of here. Alright.
You hear that, boys? The Mainlander's gonna help us take our town back. Let's hope you
We've-
put an army in that pack of yours.
We've managed to hold this hill, but wicker creatures have moved into the surround us. We're not going to be able to move into the town if we don't get them off our feet. This is where you come in, Rogue. See if you can clear them out of their numbers in the lumber fields. That way, when we move in, we only need to worry about one thing. Yeah, Zivy. I'm a huge fan of front. Kill 8 cursed familiars in the Timberlands. Alright.
Right then, back to the fight.
What does love feel like? You're the best I ever had.
Ooh, there's a chest over there.
Best I ever had. You're the best I ever had. Best I ever had. You're the best I ever had. I'm out of range. Super fast.
Super, super. Yeah, I'm going to look for that chest. It's above me, or it's on this same level. Could be right here. Oh, there it is. Oh crap, my poison finished. Alright, freeze. Oh my god. Kinda tough.
I'm out of range.
Nice. Oh, there's two over there. Good. Need 3 more.
Too far away.
Alright, I need to get some water. All right.
I'm out of range.
One more, we're good.
But there's no way to slow it down.
Make it quick. Enough chit-chat. What's your business here?
I did what you asked, bitch. Good work, Rogue. Even if we don't manage to take the town back, it's good to know we are able to save some of our people. No, we just have to get them out of here. Excellent. It was starting to feel a bit claustrophobic on this hill. I got the cancel. Right, finally a finger. Oh, come on. Yeah, I'm gonna take the ring in this situation. It'll be much more beneficial for me. We got a small boat docked right across the way from there. If you can get these villagers safely on board, they should be able to make it to Fall Haven by river. Make it to Fall Haven by river. You're a capable fighter, no doubt. Can I count on you to fend off any attackers while I get them to safety?
The only good. All right, boys. Let's secure this road so we can get these bystanders out of harm's way. Mainlander, take a position with them and hold off any attacks from the town.
There's a tiger. Nice.
Looks like they're on to us. Protect the civilians.
As you wish. Ooh. Let me eat some cookies and then come link you. Alright, ready again.
More attackers from the town. Hold your position.
Cool on.
Looks like they're sending in the big guns. Brace yourselves, boys.
Jeez, I'm crying.
I'm out of range.
Nice roll. Bite me, youth. Nice.
That's the last of the villagers. With any luck, they'll make it to Fall Haven unscathed.
Just give him a fucking ring.
Make it quick.
If you're able to absolute miss Marcus of this mess, you'll need to head to the town. Recently, I've seen some oddly dressed women among the creatures who seem to be calling the shots. Exactly that they're the key to this whole nightmare, but we can't get in to question them. Their minions don't seem to slow you down. So if you can get to them, you might be able to find some answers for both of us. Be careful though; they likely aren't very friendly. All right.
All right then. Back word of warning, Mainlander. A Avoid the mine at all costs. I don't know what they're up to, but the magic coming out of that place seems to sap your very life away. I've already lost 2 good men in there. Don't make yourself the third.
This town belongs to the Coven, interloper.
Alright, disengage. So disengage on. There's way too many minions around her. Way too many minions.
A million stars floating over our head.
See some.
Beating hearts, falling apart, staying up to forget. Baby, we'll fall. We all go dancing down. And paradise.
I need to get closer.
Shaking. 'Cause there ain't no stopping us.
This town belongs to the Coven, interloper.
Yo, fucker, yo. Yo, fucker, yo. Gotcha. Alright, so I can do some own.
We all go dancing down. And paradise is found. We're shaking up the ground. 'Cause there ain't no stopping us.
Oh, it's a bonus objective. Oh, crap. You've seen a charm like this in Fall Haven being used to control the Wicker construct. If you can figure out how to use it, you may be able to take control of one of the Hobo Wicker constructs. Test the Wicker charm on dominant such as hollows. Test the Wicker charm on dormant ravels. Oh. Precious hollow until you successfully control one. Alright. Oh, I think she's inside there. What is?
It's too far away. You should not have entered here.
Some good damage.
My sisters will avenge.
Sisters of the Coven, take heed. The miners at Fletcher's Hollow have stumbled upon a previously undisturbed ruin hidden deep within the Elder Stone mine. The tomb inside may hold powerful relics that could prove useful for our coven's rituals. Do what you must to secure the town. I will arrive shortly to investigate the ruins personally.
Oh, so it's a ghost witch thing. Lost it is over there. Or here? No, she's over there. There.
I need to get closer.
The coven will swallow all.
No. No. Heal, 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 heal.
The coven will claim you.
Alright, we're good here. I'm gonna sit and eat some biscuits. Oh, come on. Alright, disengage. God, that's useful. I won't stop saying that that's useful. Can disengage from a fight. Eat up something. And then you're back into the fight.
I'm out of range.
Remember me, pussy? Yeah. Can't cast your spell now, don't it? Oh my god. Echo your blood clot self. Run, boy. I think Argo's supposed to. Nice.
I need a target. I'm out of range. Target something first.
Oh, I'll say they see what is. Yeah, I guess they're not responding. very interesting. All right, let's engage. Oh my god. Here come out the biscuits. Oh, fine. Gotta catch me first.
Can't take for granted where I've been. Went through hell and back again. Scars on my mind and bruises and skin. I lean on you when times get tough. Give it to me, I wanna hear you scream. Like I can't be replaced. Wanna hear you scream.
What's your business here?
All right, my killer tree sister them, you know. They're willing to talk. That's unfortunate. At least with them gone, we may stand a chance to break them down, back them down. It would seem we were mistaken. Miss Waycrest was just the wrong place at the wrong time. However, this means that Fletcher's Hollow may be even more danger.
The only good witch is a dead witch. Enough chit chat.
Yeah.
Can't attack that target.
So I've come to the conclusion.
Is there no Dharma one runs around here?
So I'll end up dying slowly, rotting away. See, I just want to be flying without a thought. To get out of this maze and run. Please strike me thunder. Let me get closer to us. Please strike me thunder. So I can So I've come to the conclusion. I'm just
This
Oh, that's...
belongs to the coven.
All right, you want to fight? All right, cool. Let's fight.
Too far away.
Don't work as yours. 'Cause everything surrounds is a little bit happy.
Need to get closer. target.
Alright, cool. Oh, that's what those buckets are? Help, 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 help. Help me, nigga. Thank you. I need to free up these guys. Why me I move like semi Iron Man? Seriously. I don't know why me I move like me Iron Man. Masu come, brother.
Is this over? I'm scared to ask these questions, cause I know
Before the late
you'll reject my love. Moving slow, frozen to these pieces without me.
I need a target.
I will only climb the mountain without you goodbye. Cause you're
How can that not stop the cast?
I never wanna hold you back. I wanna give you every chance, and I'll stand against all enemies, your enemies. I'm afraid if our love collides, you'll leave me alone tonight. But I'll still be your superhero.
Yeah, keep them busy. Can I help you, sir? I like how the buffs are going down. That's nice. Sir, 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 sir. Come on, guys. Let me make you get out of here. Get out of here. Yeah, I got this. Oh, yes, I can use. Good. Oh, I love this song.
The coven will swallow all.
Whoa. Disengage. Did he die? Probably. Fire with you.
Don't have the heart.
I'm gonna drink some soup. Finally. Hold on. Should be fine.
I'm out of range.
Alright, disengage. You never saw me. You didn't saw me. I know you did see. Now you see me, now you don't. You're able to control one of their creatures. Amazing. This could turn the tides for us. Alright. I know that you've got what you came for, but I need to ask you one more favor. This town won't be safe until Matron Leve is taken care of. According to the letter, she must be holed up in that cave. None of our people have been able to enter it, but I know I've seen their constructs going. This charm you found might be the key. If you can take control of one of these recommend, send it after her. We might have
We barely got you out of there.
control the direction and defeat them. Alright.
The only good witch is a dead witch.
I can't attack that.
Oh. Banana.
Some meddlesome clod managed to turn one of our creations against us. You must think you're so clever. It matters not. See what becomes of the enemies of the Covenant. Gatherlites, destroy our wayward pawn.
2 bird, 1 stone. I have a problem.
But it will take on the cabin back to best. A matron of the Heart's Bane Coven! Face my wrath! You cannot win! My sisters are until all makers!
Bam, 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 bam.
Make it quick.
Alright, we kill her. Worked. I'll be a Kraken's uncle. You really saved our hides. I'm not what the fuck is that? Hold on. Who brought all these goddamn birds here?
Target something first.
Spit it out.
Alright, where is it? I'm not sure how we can repay you, but this is the great start. By having my dirty money. Wait, you're telling me that it was even worse than in the mines? You know what? Just tell me about it. Just don't tell me about it. So, as long as you killed whatever was in there, I think we'll be okay. It'll take us right to kill the beast after I left over, but I'm confident we'll be able to take back precious hollows. Thanks to you. Of course, here, take this letter to Constable. It should be enough to clear Miss first. Waycrest's name. I'm sorry you had to witness all of this, Mainlander. We are good people, but these are terrible times. Live with it, little.
Alright then, back to the fight.
Yeah, but I'm not done my bonus mission yet. Pineapple. Come on, let's free up. There we go. Got my money. I can do it now. Boom. No, anything after that, not my problem. Can we find a way back? Back into human form. Brown. And mama thought that I was chasing. Can we find the music? And there's resolution. Can we find a way back? Way back. Hold on, I need to check if there's everything seems to be up and running. We Gucci. Oh no, my trusty steed. Let's sneak in. Back here. Running nervous and fun. Feeling not fun. Head.
Yes?
Loving so wrong. Dangerous fun is so fun.
Move along. Attention! It has been determined that another witch was in fact responsible for the curse in Fletcher's Hollow. Miss Waycrest, you are free to go with my apologies.
Thank you, Constable. Shall we, Mainlander? Drostvar stands firm.
Oh. Ow. 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 No, obviously it's my fault, no. Sometime I should find out what was this harassment covenant is they're doing in Ireland. I hope Miss Marshall will be able to enlighten me. Questions personal. Care to undo these ropes? They're starting to chafe. Went with this.
Glory to House Waycrest. That's better. Now let's...
Look out! Enemies from the woods!
What? Are you serious right now?
It's an ambush! Defend the villagers!
I need to get closer.
So wait, me I defend the villagers, who defend me? Oh. That's close.
The traps aren't slowing them down anymore! More incoming!
Alright, come in. Let's do this.
I need to get closer.
Running down, keep running down.
What in creation is that?
Jeez. What is that thing? Oh, it's a year to cause.
We'll protect the lady. Take out their leads.
With pleasure. With cloth. Jesus Christ! Ah, I'm gonna need help here. Come on. That was my fault. I should have activated my boot kicking. And then have my combo up so I could stun her. Because we can dispel 2 of her abilities in succession. Yeah, very deep.
Just the thought of it hurts like hell. Oh, this time you've been thinking I moved on, but you should know I waited
woods!
If I said that, I hope you still love me. Feels like you don't.
The traps aren't slowing them down anymore! More incoming!
Ah, come on.
What in creation is that?
We'll step back.
We'll have you, Lucy.
We'll protect the lady! Take out their leader!
Yes. No. Huh. That was a big mistake. Yeah. Come on.
Marshal,
Nope.
this coven. Tell me what.
Nope.
It is worse than you know, my lady. This
Lol.
spread like wild.
Tell you no man, that thing is so useful.
They've overrun much of the land past the mountains. We've only a handful left holding Aram's stand.
And my father? What is he doing to combat this incursion?
They have him. We're working on a way to extract him when we heard word of this trial.
Well then, it looks like we're going to have to take the fight to the coven. I think I know how to do just that.
And I have my sword, please. That would be nice.
How can I help?
Give me my sword. It's coming down to powerful. So is drawing powerful from these ancient ruins. Then I may just know of something that could just help us fight back. Meet me at the first fork along the high road pass. There's something there I want you to see.
Keep your sails true. Marshal, you and your men will travel to Aram's stand. I will meet you there after a brief detour.
But my lady, it will be safe if...
I will not hear it, Marshal. This mainlander will accompany me and ensure I come to no harm.
I hope you're right, my lady. Form up, men! We ride!
Come, hero. We ride to High Road Pass.
Alright.
With you, I know that this is all, so we don't need to take it slow. If you want me, then I believe that there's a simple remedy.
Oh, alright, here I want.
We've seen it all, just make the call.
Let's return back to the phone. I need to repair.
It's unconditional, just make the call, and I'll be I'll come running over. We don't need no miracle. It's unconditional, just make the call, and I'll be yours.
Fancy some bits and bobs? Appreciate your patronage.
Yeah, probably gonna need some more. Yo, these songs are fire. Fire. But I need one more of these. Wait, this stuff is isn't it?
I've been painting every fence I know.
Have a good one.
Every color bleeds into the sand.
Wait, where's the trainers?
Cause before you go and walk away, yeah, you better know where you're going. You're a wanderer just like me. Yeah, you better know where you're going. Yeah, you better know where you're
Damn, I forgot Storm Wind for it.
Every fence I know, every color bleeds into the same. Cause before you go and walk away, yeah, you better know where you're going. You're a wanderer just like me. Yeah, you better know where you're going.
Where is this located?
Just like me. Yeah, you better know where you're going.
Alright, I'm into Stormwind. Let's go. I think I know where it is in Iron Deep. I think I do. In Iron Forge. Okay, Mage Trainer, Priest Trainer, Mage Trainer,
There is also misery. It's
Priest
the
Trainer,
mystery. And you and I
Paladin,
history.
Paladin.
Yeah.
Alright, let's get out of here.
Wherever love flows, there is also tragedy. When we're in
Military.
and you
Word.
and I, we got history.
What?
Hey. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry.
I can't Mage Trainers all over the freaking place with no Rogue Trainers.
Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain.
Go.
I'm sorry for all the pain.
That's someone's pet. a mystical druid.
My love it grows with the memories like a symphony. You and I, we got history. And when you're alone, do you say my name?
The poster on your screen.
Name?
I'm not mistaken.
My love it grows with the memories like a symphony.
Yeah, well, I'm just here now.
You and I, we got history.
Warrior trainer, warrior trainer.
Wherever love goes, there is also tragedy. When we're deemed to be, you and I, we got history.
Seriously, there's no rogue trainers. I mean they're here, we just don't know where. Oh my god. Oh, he's outside. Rascal. Alright, he's outside. I didn't know that. Thank you. Much appreciated. Politics is where the hell is that coming from? Alright. None of my business still. I'm probably not gonna kill some stuff here. 4752. I'm here for your mission. I already have too much on my plate. Alright, there we go.
Sky is dark. The fire burns. You strive in vain as fate's wheel turns.
I mean, I'm there. He said it should be here. Question, you know.
Pleased to meet you. Alrighty then.
Step on the end, I've got your hand, and now we're way down, fade out. No, was it your plan? Can't understand. I love the air.
Oh, nice.
The sun, a fire is burning.
You know.
Tell me to hold on tight.
There he is. I've been looking for you.
Here there.
I wanna remember.
Be good.
Yeah, help me.
Makes me wanna
Okay.
fingers down your spine, looking in my eyes, feel your hands on mine. Tonight we're freer than ever. I wanna remember.
Oh, that's so far. Oh, this is classic. Anyways, I'm on the classic.
The tower still burns. A
Oh, it's
cleansing
classic.
fire. Time is short. I'll soon retire.
I mean, you're supposed to do the same thing anyway. In retrospect, I don't think that matters. Even if you're using the classic, I don't think it should matter.
Still and silent, calm before the storm.
Alright, so there's another one all the way downhill.
And diamond jewels behind the throne into the night.
Yeah.
Take to the sky, chasing the stars. All that we said, all that we are, waiting to fly. This is the start. Hide and seek, reason and rhyme, grand and glorious. Living the dream, yours and mine. Euphoria. Hide and seek, reason and rhyme, grand and glorious. Living the dream, yours and mine. Euphoria.
Fire consumed. You tried and failed. Let there be no doubt. Justice prevails.
Stone and feather move outside your head. Now or never, strong in every step.
There it is.
Still as a breeze, a river flowing deep. Don't wanna leave the air you breathe. Living mirrors dreams when I think of you and me. Don't wanna leave the world you see, and I will hold you down if love is still alive. It's unforgiven to my eyes. The tide has turned around. Just listen to the sound. Two hearts beating, beating time. Hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah. It's unforgiven to my eyes. Hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah. It's unforgiven. You and your wicked ways. You and your wicked ways. You and your wicked ways. Sit out your touch. I can never feel so much. Don't wanna leave us in between. 'Cause when you lock me in, I'm in for life. Don't care, it's a cruel paradise. Say you'll be mine. The tide has turned around. Just listen to the sound. Two hearts beating, beating time. Hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah. It's unforgiven. You and your wicked ways. You just can't breathe. Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the
Alright, back to searching for that rogue trainer.
Do you see the spark? Do you feel the fire inside of me?
We back.
You see the sparks that I'm setting free. Does the beat take you over? You just can't breathe. Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the
Alright, I'm gonna have the music for a little bit. Let's go for a nice relaxing ride. Alright, yeah, that's better. Dom 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 dom. Oh, I went to him. Oh, there's a building behind this path. I'm about to hit 35. Got me a nice good dagger. Oh, so I need to get haste and master increase the damage on my poison. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I see you over there.
It's too far away.
So I outlevel this zone. That's at first. I thought all the zones work with you.
We need to target something first. I'm out of range.
Yes, on this. Yeah, you continue.
Prepare yourselves. The bells have tolled. Shelter your weak, your young, and your old. Each of you shall pay the final sum. Cry for mercy. The reckoning has come.
All right, my brother. Calm down, calm down. Weaponsmith, armorsmith. I need to fix some of my stuff.
Keep your feet on the ground.
Warlock trainer, warrior trainer, hunter trainer, monk trainer, paladin trainer, armorer. Like, where are the rogue trainers? Bot, mage, priest. Armor trainer.